What's your name, by the way?
Hi, I'm Shivani.
Shivani.
Yeah,
Abhishek.
yeah.
Nice to
Hi,
meet you.
thank
आप
you.
क्या करते हो?
I am data analyst.
कॉर्पोरेट.
Yes.
ये कॉर्पोरेट की लाइफ से गेट अवे है क्या?
Yes. Basically, get away from one corporate company to other. Actually, I'm on
Oh
notice
my
period and it's
god.
the end of notice period.
Okay,
So,
cool.
like, just on notice period, enjoying it.
अभी तो
And I'm
हनीमून
gonna
पीरियड है
enjoy.
यार. नोटिस पीरियड तो मतलब बेस्ट पीरियड होता है.
Yes, yes. And in the same period, anniversary is there. So,
Oh,
we are here.
nice.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you again. Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
And what do you like to do other than work?
Other than work, I like to play table tennis.
Table tennis.
Yeah, as
Nice.
we are Punekars, like to
तुम
go
पुणे से
to
हो?
the yeah.
I'm also from Pune.
Oh, nice in the Goa.
Yeah. And we are meeting in Goa.
Yeah,
Crazy.
yeah. So like to go on the trek, right?
Trekking.
Yeah,
पसंद है?
yeah.
So you are an adventurous person.
Not that much.
Okay.
My husband is so.
Oh, your husband is?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then other than that, now kind of getting fond of reading books. So not getting much time though. And also I'm a good cook.
Oh,
So
nice.
I do try different dishes on the
Oh.
weekend.
तो यहाँ की वाइब कैसी लग रही है तुम्हें अब तक?
Vibe is sometimes it feels कि we are out of India, sometimes it feels we are in India.
कोई ना कोई ऐसा
It
फील
is
करवा ही देता है कि नहीं तुम इंडिया में ही हो.
exactly, and it is different in north and it is totally different in south.
हाँ.
That too, actually, we are actually going. So we are going back tomorrow.
Okay,
but
you're going back to Pune.
yeah.
Okay.
So then we thought we were not here in the Palolem beach, so we thought to visit it. And when we visited, our uh, I mean to say the image
We
of
can talk in
the
Hindi also.
South
हिंदी में
Goa.
conversation करते हैं पूरा.
Okay, no, it's fine. So then the image of the South Goa has been changed now.
Yeah.
So we were only into the Agonda and then the Kola beach. So it's very calm and peaceful. And now when we are here at the Palolem, it's kind of it's just the Baga of
बाप रे.
the north, right?
भागा बन गया है क्या ये?
Yeah, it's the Baga of the north.
अच्छा, last time
Yeah.
आप कभी रोए थे और क्या रीजन था?
कभी रोए थे और क्या reason था? I have cried many times. I am very sensitive person.
Okay.
I have even cried 2 days back and even
2 days
last
back?
week.
What was the reason?
I don't know. I was feeling good. So
Oh,
for that
happy
reason,
tears.
yeah, happy tears.
Oh, that's
I am
good.
very sensational person, so I cry a lot. Yeah,
Okay.
and
कोई
I
स्ट्रगल चल रहा है अभी लाइफ में?
it is actually struggle means I don't like to settle, right? Don't be settle. I would say, if you are a risk taker, then you will explore the life fullest.
Yeah.
So that is all going on actually,
Okay.
taking the risk.
So आगे क्या सोचा है? क्या करना चाहते हो आप लाइफ में?
Actually, many times I think कि the span of the life is so short and we have to do so many things. Now can we manage? So
Yeah.
there are so many things I want to do. Basically, many times I think basically as a human, right? Not like कि ये fashion करना है, इसके trend के साथ जाना है, ये घूमना है, वो घूमना है. Many times I think basically like a human needs and all that kind of thing. So basically from that perspective, I want to explore.
Okay.
Right, I want to explore people, places, food.
Let's do this.
Yeah, so this is all I want to do basically in the life. Live the life fullest
Live life to the fullest.
and make the money to the fullest as well.
पैसे कमाओ, घूमो, मजे करो.
Yes, right. That's all.
Best option है.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Okay.
And obviously be happy in all of this because
Yeah,
even
so-
money and everything comes at the end to the happiness only, I believe.
So आपको किस चीज से खुशी मिलती है? Please come this side.
ओके खुशी बेसिकली मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि खुशी के लिए बहुत बड़ी चीजें ही करनी है, छोटी छोटी चीजों से भी मिलती है. लाइक जस्ट बेसिकली तो नेचर में बहुत खुशी मिलती है.
Okay.
ओके
नेचर. उनका भी नाम शिवानी है. Yeah.
तो बेसिकली नेचर में खुशी मिलती है.
Okay.
And I think if people are like happy while they party, while they travel, while they
Yeah.
do expensive stuff, so I think I might get happy there as well.
Okay.
But that didn't happen. I tried that as well, but I am
उसमें नहीं मिली.
नहीं मिलती है. So I get happiness in the nature basically. नेचर में और
छोटी छोटी चीजों में,
खुद-
स्मॉल थिंग्स.
हाँ
Yeah.
खुद की केयर करने में,
Yeah.
घर को सजाने में, like these small things.
Oi, oi.
Yeah.
Small things.
Yes,
It
yes.
was really nice talking to you.
Yeah, thank
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You have a wonderful evening.
Yeah, you
Yes.
too.